Warren Mimidiga, Budra and Winya. You go na Awabakal Darkanyang. Hello friend, good to see you. Today I'm on Awabakal and Darkanyang country. Up on border country, up in the Wadigans. Today I want to do a video on DIY and I believe environmentally friendly fire starters. See, we all know the typical ones you buy at Coles and all your bloody stores and that, these little foamy, rubbishy things. I don't believe these are overly environmentally friendly due to the chemicals that are in them. And I've found, as I'm sure many of you have, that when you take them out of the plastic, or if you're one that doesn't use them very regularly, for example in a fire at home, if you're only using them when you come out bush, they have a tendency to lose their little bit of flammability. So, as you'll notice here, they should just light straight up. But that's doing absolute nothing. It did catch just at the end there. So I'm going to show you how I make some that are a bit more environmentally friendly and probably actually cheaper. They're also waterproof and they don't lose their spark like these ones do, even when sealed in airtight bags. So the ones I'm making today are quite simple. They involve cotton makeup removers and some candles. It's that simple. So give you a quick look at all of what I do with them. Get my little cooker going. Now I picked up these little pans and that from Kmart a while back. So I'm just going to use one of them. They're nothing flash. The handles do get hot. I'm just going to get some... Try that one again. I'm going to get some low heat onto them. And I'm just slowly and melt the candles into it. Okay, so the simplicity of these, as you can see, there's a bit of wax melted there. It's not completely melted down, but it's still going. Simply grab it with a pair of tongs, quick dip in the wax, whoop, set it off to the side. It is melting the plastic on me, which is typical. Quick dip. Set it off to the side. Now normally doing this I'd use alfoil or baking paper or something to lay them down onto, but I actually forgot to bring it with me. And these aren't the best tongs for it either. The first time I did these, I basically let them soak in the wax. This time I'm just giving them a quick dip. Reason for that is the first time I did it, I found they were a little bit hard to spark and actually get to light. This time around should be quite a lot easier. Now I can turn the heat off there, there's plenty of heat in there. And that's about it, that's all the wax. That's 3 candles that I've used there, so it's not a lot of candles. So it's not a lot of cost, it's not a lot of candles, but it's made me 20 little fire starters. So I'll grab this first one and I'll take you over and I'll show you how they burn. So I've got the 2 here. This is sort of broken up to expose the fibres out of the wax, and that second one is just plain cotton. So quick and easy. There's a flame on there. Now, as with any candle, as the cotton slowly burns down, the flame will get bigger. And that's just a normal cotton one. So you see the difference in how quickly they burn. Normal cotton, look, it might get you the job done, but these will remain waterproof. You can dunk them in water, then break them up later on. They'll remain waterproof, and they will light continuously. It doesn't matter if they've been out of their packet for a little bit too long. They will continue to burn down. As you can see, they burn for a decent time. So not only can you use matches with these, but you can also use a flint and steel or ferro rod or whatever it might be that you want to use. Another option I have been told is to use petroleum jelly or some sort of Vaseline, as it's petroleum based. Now I said that these are environmentally friendly, however the candles that I'm using are paraffin wax. Paraffin is derived from the process of making petrol. So therefore the manufacturing process of the wax is not the most environmentally friendly, but when it burns down it's completely biodegradable and it's completely natural substances. Alrighty, well that's my little DIY homemade firelighters. Well, they work a treat as you just saw. So now I'm going to make a whole bunch more. I've got another half a dozen candles here, so I'll make a whole bunch more so that I've got them. I will strongly recommend don't put them on plastic, because unfortunately, as you can see, the plastic sticks to the bloody wax when it melts, and therefore that's going to be plastic in the environment when you burn them, so I'm not real happy with that. I may end up just turfing those ones, but that's why I'm making a whole heap more. Alright, if you've enjoyed the video guys, found it useful, please leave a like, leave a comment. If you make your own little fire starters, what do you use? Let us know down in the comments. Alright, Yamambujiri Murugu, walk a good path. Yano, goodbye.